Hey, this is my very first vlog. This ain't no damn vlog. I don't know why I said that. Look at my face. I look crazy. Well, anyway, y'all, the show must go on. We're actually on our way now to check into our home. And let me show you how Italian drivers are. See that guy? Just pulled out of there. Just backed up into the road. Out of nowhere. The very first vlog.
Oh, is this gonna be like for your YouTube channel?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Here, redo that. This is gonna be the before, so you can. We're like fucking around right now, but then in a little bit you're gonna be like, okay, this is my vlog, and I had the music in the background, and I'm not gonna be, or I can be here, whatever. I don't know.
My arm is. The driving out here. Yes, this is the street. That's why everybody has smart cars here. So you can fit in these little cracks, nooks and crannies. Okay, so here are the stairs. So this is when you come through the front door. It's probably a little bit out of order, but y'all be alright. So we're going up the stairs to the second floor, which is like the living area. So here you see the living room, the little dusty ass couch, but that's just loaner furniture for right now. So we'll just pan around and yeah. Okay, so now we're in the kitchen. That door right there separates the kitchen and the living room. Over there's the patio. There's two patios actually in the kitchen. This is kind of to the back, like where I was showing you guys earlier. Okay, and here we're in the first bathroom. This is the bathroom like near the living room area. So this is where the washing machine is gonna go. That little corner where y'all saw that wood plank. And that door over there leads out to the patio, also connecting to the kitchen. So that's where you can, do laundry, I guess walk out to the patio. So we're gonna go upstairs. So this is where all the bedrooms are. Okay, so right here to our left, the very first room, is where all the magic happens. This is going to be the master bedroom. This room is going to be where all the YouTube magic happens. This is going to be my room. Isn't it lovely? Look at that. That natural light, girl. That patio. Yes. Take it all in. Okay, so over here is gonna be the little man cave where he's gonna be at, away from me, not annoying me, and just, doing his own thing. And of course, my favorite part of the house, the bathroom. Look at that. Look how magical and lovely. Oh, I love it. It's really my favorite. I adore this bathroom so much. And yes, in every bathroom, we have a bidet. I don't know if y'all been listening or y'all peep the music, because if you guys peep the music and peeping the growth, comment below. Okay, now we're going upstairs. Okay, this is like the fourth floor, because I'm gonna show y'all the garage in a second. But there's like this whole terrace upstairs. This whole roof is ours. So yeah, we could just come up here, barbecue, chill, drink beers. I don't know, you know, sunbathe. I don't know, relax. Okay, so I know you guys remember the front door from the beginning. So this is when you walk through the front door, you can go down the stairs, and we're gonna go to the garage. Okay, so real fast, we're not gonna go to the garage because every single time I try to record down there, the video will get messed up, and I don't know what that is. So if y'all know what that is, let me know. So just imagine what a garage looks like, because that's what mine looks like, and two cars fit in there. Okay. So since I couldn't show you guys the garage, I have something way better.